Welcome back to the Comprehensive Code YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving LeetCode 3075, Maximize Happiness of Selected Children. Let's read the question. You are given an array happiness of length n and a positive integer k. There are n children standing in a queue where ith child has happiness value happiness I. You want to select k children from these n children in k turns. In each turn, you select a child. The happiness value of all children that have not been selected till now decreases by 1. Note that the happiness value cannot become negative and gets decremented only if it is positive. Return the maximum sum of the happiness values of selected children you can achieve by selecting k children. Alright, let's take an example. This one. Let's go to the code editor. So we have the input here, happiness, and we are allowed to do k turns, and we can select k children in k turns. So, and we want to maximize the happiness. That means if we take an example, so we have 1, 2, 3. If we select 1, so basically in the first turn, the happiness score is 1 till now, and then after that, when this 1 is selected, so basically other happiness score will be decreased by 1. That means 2 will become 1 and 3 will become 2. Now again, for next time, if we select 1, then 1, so the total happiness score is, we have selected 1 earlier, now we selected 1. That means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If we select in this way, we only got 2 as an answer. Now let's take a different route. Let's take 3 as in the beginning. If we take 3, then the happiness score is 3 and other happiness score will be decreased by 1. That means 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 2 minus 1 is 0. So now 1. So now in the second turn, if we select 1 as the happiness score, it will be 1 plus, previously we have selected 3, so it will give us total of 4 as answer. So 4 is definitely greater than 2. Therefore, like 4 is optimal solution as of now. What if we selected 2 instead? So if we select 2, we'll have 2 as happiness score in the beginning, and then 1, it will decrease to 0, and then 3, it is decreased by 1 and it becomes 2. So we have 2 at the beginning and 2 now if we select 2. So basically that means like 2 plus 2 is 4. So basically that is the answer for us. Okay, so by now I think there is one intuition that is coming in. What if we sort the array? So basically we sort the array. When you sort the array, it becomes in descending order. It becomes 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now pick the score that has happiness score greater. That means from the beginning. So if we pick score 3, and the happiness score till now will be 3, and other, like there are 2 elements that is remaining, so the 2 will be 2 minus 1, which is 1, and then 1 minus 1, which will be 0. So now we select 1. We select 1 again. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is how we get the answer. So now the intuition becomes, okay, this one we selected 3 and the turn is first turn we select 3, and then in second turn this score will be decreased by 1. That means we selected that in the second turn, and in the third turn we will not go till third turn because we are only allowed to do second turn. That means, so 3 minus 0 is 3 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. It will give us 4. So with that, let's begin writing the code. So let's copy this. Okay, so from typing, list, okay, and as defined here, we'll just initialize a variable called max happiness, and then what we are doing here is basically this is the turn and this is the score. So we are basically adding this max of the score and then turn, and we are doing this because it should not go negative, so we are doing that. With that, let's start coding. Max happiness, let's copy that. Happiness is 0, and then we are sorting happiness in reverse order, and we are doing for turn score in enumerate happiness. We're doing is max happiness. If k is equal to turn, if we happen to be earlier, then we just return max happiness. Otherwise, what we'll do is we'll just increase the max happiness with score minus turn and then 0. At last, we just return max happiness. With that, let's run this code. So as you can see, this runs pretty fast, and if we submit this code, as you can see, it runs pretty fast and it's pretty efficient. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully it makes sense to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you.